In this video, you will learn how to make 2 websites with 2 different AI builders for completely free. You won't need to know a single line of code or anything, it'll build it for you. This will be the first website, and this will be the second website. Alright, let's start. Head to the Pineapple Website AI Builder, link in the description. Right here, type your business. If you want to be more specific, you can also type what you do. Now press AI and it should bring you here. This is the website design it will create. It will change and generate the content for you. Select the GPT 3.5 option here unless you want to pay money. Here you can change the business details and target audience. Although for this tutorial I'm going to be using the one that was auto-generated. Once you're finished, press Start Generation and wait patiently for it to create your website. Now it's done. We can now customize the website however we like. We can change the color. The font. And the button style. You can also change the palette style to your liking. Same with the website background color. When you're finally happy, go to Save and sign in with Google, GitHub, or Facebook. Now just agree to the terms of service and we're almost done. Put the name of your company here. Now press Save again. It loads you into the website builder. You can make changes here if you want. Now press Publish and publish live domain unless you have a custom domain that you own. You can go to the link here and done. That's your AI-built website. Looks amazing. Now onto method number 2. Go to Hoku's Website AI, link in the description. Simply enter your email here and press Let's Get Started. Now it will ask you some simple questions. I'm sure you can answer them. Now 3 types of websites will come up. Choose whichever one you like the best. Tell me which you like the best in the comments. Me, personally, I like the third one. Now your website is built. On the side, you can choose the color palette for the site. Now you can change the font to your liking. When you like what you have, press Create My Website. Now it loads you into the editor and you can edit the website however you want. When you're finished editing, you can press View Website and it'll take you to the website. There we go. We're finished. If you found that this video helped, liking and subscribing would be pretty cool.